VFI-2538 QS EPS Form Hard Coat is a two-component cartridge-style spray coating that is designed for use with the VFI-7500 Qwik Spray applicator for portable, cost-effective application in non-regulated environments. It creates a uniform, durable, and paintable surface for various outdoor theming and attraction projects. This cartridge-based hard coat offers reduced cleanup and smooth application with minimal overspray, which means a reduced need for sanding and a quicker turnaround on your fabrications. To use a cartridge, remove the red and white separation caps and screw on the supplied static mix tip. Insert the cartridge into the gun frame, label side up, and connect the air supply hose to the static mix tip. An air compressor capable of at least 10 CFM at 100 PSI of constant pressure is required to run the equipment. When you are ready to spray, turn on the atomizer by opening the ball valve. Twist the regulator knob to adjust the texture. Then pull the trigger. Start by spraying about 2 feet away onto a disposable surface to prevent off-ratio blemishes. A recommended minimum application thickness is 60 mils or greater to create the best film properties. VFI-2538 QS Form Hard Coat, portable sprayable protection.